Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2016 Chevy Malibu, and if you're looking for a car that is fuel efficient and technologically advanced, you're going to love this vehicle. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gray exterior color. You have your chrome outlined grille with that Chevy bow tie in the middle. And you have these projector beam headlamps along with a front sensing system and accent lamps below. This has a 1.5 liter engine, which is super fuel efficient. You can get about 37 miles per gallon on the highway. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels. I love the design on those as well, very fierce on those. Then looking at your windshield, you'll see that this could fall under our smart warranty. And if it does, it'll be our 5-year, 60,000 mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Your side mirrors have indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated, so super comfortable, power adjustable. Everything is really nice. And then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. You have your cruise control settings, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls are on the back. Then looking at your media center, you have your radio options right here. You also have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. You can subscribe to OnStar if you want to have more options, and then you have your text messages right there. All of your other apps are there, including projection manager, so you can project your phone screen onto your media center screen. You also have your settings, and when your vehicle is on and in reverse, you have a backup camera with those nice guidelines to help you back out of those tight spots. So below that, you have all of your climate controls, and then there are your heated buttons for your seats. You also have a media hub with a 12-volt, 2 USB ports, and an aux port. Sensing system, traction control, 2 cup holders, and then inside of your center console you have even more space. Then looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and controls to your panoramic sunroof, which is just enormous inside of this vehicle. Then making your way out, this has a Bose sound system. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders, and you have a 120-volt, 12-volt, and 2 USB ports. Then making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, your LT, and your Malibu badging in chrome, and you have a rear sensing system. Looking into your trunk, you have power trunk and remote start on your key fob, and then you have lots and lots of room back there. So overall, great vehicle. It's really spacious inside, it's really comfortable with those heated seats, and that media center is amazing. Plus, you have that great gas mileage. So if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.